guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to be showing you how I achieved this summer everyday makeup look. It's super simple, not too heavy on the eyes, a little bit of glam, but flawless skin, but still weightless skin, which is exactly what you want for the summertime. You don't want to pack on all of the products for the summer, at least I don't. Today's video is in collaboration with Sephora inside JCPenney and IT Cosmetics. I have been such a huge fan of IT Cosmetics for so long. They are one of my all-time favorite brands. If you guys have been watching my channel for a while, you have seen IT Cosmetics on my channel over and over again because they are such high quality and they just work so well with my skin. IT Cosmetics is designed with plastic surgeons, and a lot of people have been asking for IT Cosmetics to go into the Sephora inside JCPenney, and here they are to give the people what they want. So I'm excited to show you guys how I use the IT Cosmetics CC cream to achieve this everyday summer makeup. If you guys want to see how I achieved this everyday summer makeup look, then just keep on watching, and don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe so you never miss a new video. And don't forget to hit that bell button so you always get notified every time I upload a new video. And today I do have a new subscriber shout out. I want to give a shout out to Jasmine Thomas. Thank you so much for interacting with my videos and for subscribing to my channel. It means so much to me. And if you guys want to be featured in my next subscriber shout out, all you have to do is be subscribed to my channel and leave me a comment down below. It's super simple. All right, now enough talking. Let's jump right in to this summer makeup tutorial. So I am going to start off by moisturizing my face using the IT Cosmetics Confidence in a Cream. I love this moisturizer. It's a transforming moisturizing super cream. I love it. My skin just soaks it right up. And this is going to create a nice moisturized and hydrated base. So today we are going to be going in with the Your Skin But Better IT Cosmetics CC cream. This cream is color correcting and has SPF 50 in it, so it's perfect for the summertime. It's going to keep your skin protected while keeping it hydrated and correcting any sort of issues that you have, which is perfect for me. The shade that I'm going to be using today is Tan, and I am going to be applying that with the Heavenly Luxe foundation brush. There's a foundation brush on one end and a concealer brush on the other, so it's perfect for travel. And I'm just going to take 2 pumps on my finger. So let me tell you a little bit about this CC cream. Your Skin But Better CC cream with SPF 50 is your color correcting cream that delivers 7 products in one, including your full coverage foundation, hydrating anti-aging serum, and SPF 50 physical sunscreen. Your multitasking beauty miracle provides clinically tested hydration while diffusing the appearance of skin imperfections for flawless looking coverage that won't crease or crack. Now moving on to concealer, and the concealer today that I'm going to be using is the IT Cosmetics Bye Bye Under Eye. This is the full coverage anti-aging waterproof concealer. So again, it's perfect for the summertime if you're poolside, if you just want to pop something on underneath your eyes, and it's going to give you great coverage and last through those swim sessions. This is going to be the perfect concealer for you. I used to use this all the time a few years ago. I don't know why I stopped using it. It's a great concealer, and I'm just going to pop this under my eyes. This concealer is infused with proprietary expression-proof technology, plus anti-aging peptides, vitamins, hyaluronic acid, hydrolyzed collagen, and antioxidants. This concealer improves the appearance of wrinkles and effectively conceals the look of skin imperfections. Now to set everything in place, I'm going to be using the IT Cosmetics Bye Bye Pores. This anti-aging skin perfecting powder utilizes real silk to make your pores disappear from view and hydrolyzed collagen to smooth away the look of wrinkles. This powder gives you a shine-free airbrushed look, and it's loaded with antioxidants, peptides, and skin-loving ingredients. Now that I am done setting my under eyes and my T-zone, I am going to go in with my Hello Flawless powder. This is a foundation powder, and I'm going to use this all over my face just for a little extra coverage. And I'm going to be using my Heavenly Luxe Wand Ball powder brush just to place this all over my face. I am going to go in and bronze up my face, and I am going to be using the Hoola Caramel Bronzer today. now that I'm nice and bronzy, I'm going to be taking my Laura Mercier Secret Brightening Powder, and I am going to just place that all over my eye. This doesn't have to be like neat or anything. This is just to add a little bit of color to our eyes because we set our eyelids with concealer, so we just want to bring a little bit of color back to it. I'm going to be using the Fenty liner. This is the Longwear liquid liner in Cause I'm Black. All right, that's about as even as we're gonna get those wings today. For mascara, I'm going to be using the IT Cosmetics. This is the Superhero Mascara. The Superhero Mascara is a mascara that is clinically shown to give your lashes super volume, length, and elastic stretch in just one coat. Now for lips, I love to use Charlotte Tilbury, and I am going to be using Very Victoria. And on top, I'm going to be using the Fenty Beauty Gloss Bomb. And finally, to set everything in place, I'm going to be using the Urban Decay All Nighter Setting Spray. Alright guys, I really hope you enjoyed my everyday summer makeup routine. If you guys did, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe so you never miss a new video. And thank you so much to Sephora, Inside JCPenney, and IT Cosmetics for sponsoring this video today. I really hope you guys enjoyed these products, and let me know what you guys think of IT Cosmetics down in the comment section. Alright guys, I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.